Hey everybody, and welcome to another craft tutorial. Today we're going to do something a little bit different. Before we get started though, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon because that will alert you to when I post a new video. Today we're going to go ahead and review the Mega Craft Bundle 4 from Designbundles.net. I've had quite a few people asking for this and asking my opinion on what I think of these bundles. So I'm going to show you all the stuff that comes with this bundle. We are going to take a look at the Mega Craft Bundle 4, which is right here. This one is, I just bought it. It's $19, and I will link it down below. But we're going to click on Download Individual Files, and this is going to help you guys keep your files much more organized rather than just downloading all the files at once. So if you click this little blue mark right here, and it says download individual files, what it'll do is it opens up a list of everything that you get in your bundle. So in this bundle, we have 20 adventure quotes bundle, a bundle of 9 spring paper cut templates, the sarcastic mom files, we have beer quotes, faith quotes. This one's just called the Incredible Bundle. It looks like it has a bunch of like mandalas and Zentangle type stuff. We have bathroom signs, we have breast cancer, we have wood signs, farmhouse signs, a Christmas SVG bundle, a fall bundle, always be nice, wedding bundle, road trip bundle, coffee house, mom, Easter. I love this arrow bundle. These are great. And then you have a huge SVG bundle, the ridiculously huge bundle, build your own sign bundle, foliage animal, and we'll open all of these so you guys can see what's included in them. Flora mega bundle, first and the last day of school. So you get a lot of stuff for $19, which is awesome. So again, link for this bundle is below. It is a limited time, so keep that in mind. I will double check when it ends before we go. So let's start with the 20 adventure quotes bundle and see if we can get this to open larger so you guys can see everything that is in fact included. This is a great way to easily look at what you're getting in your bundles, and you got to keep in mind with these bundles you may end up with some double type things. There's a couple different ones that have very similar like rolled flowers in them, so just keep that in mind when you're purchasing. But with this one, I think these are really nice. They're different. They're not the same thing you see everywhere. And they're stuff that if you're going to not take the time to design it yourself, these would be really, really quick, easy to do. These are great for camping. If you're going on a trip with your family, these are really, really cute for even Disney, because we have Adventure is Out There, which is right up here. I think this one is so cute. Look at how cute this one is. I just love that. Go where you most feel alive. So far, I really like this bundle. I think this is really nice. Like, look at how cute this one is. And I like that they show you some previews of what you could do with your bundle, which I think is super cute. So let's go back and we'll look at some of the other ones that are included in this one. A lot of times when I go back, it gives me kind of trouble. So let's hope it'll let me reopen this. It's going to make me, again, click download individual. So let's take a look at, let's look at this 9 spring paper cut bundle. I think this one looks like it's going to be really cool. This is really cool. Wow, these are really pretty. These would, I know it says paper, but you could totally do these on vinyl, and these would make beautiful signs, beautiful picture frames. Look at how pretty this butterfly is. This would make a really pretty mobile for a baby's room. This is really cute, an even fancier butterfly. You've got the spring sign with a butterfly. This is awesome and could be used for so many things. This could go for weddings or your home decor, so I think that's great. Welcome spring. I love these, guys. These ones are really cute, and I think, again, a really great deal for this bundle. So you just get a lot of wonderful things in these bundles. So far, I would say, from what I'm seeing, that this bundle, 150,000%, like worth it. I like that you get so many different styles of things. So that makes it worth it to me, is that you get different items. So you've got some stuff for fall, some stuff for Christmas. You've got things that you can use all year round. And this wedding bundle, I'm going to take a look at this one with you guys, because these make it so much easier when you're putting your weddings together. You don't have to sit there and deal with, you know, all the different designing. They've got the beautiful welcome in this, reserved signs, advice and wishes. Looks like a nice sign right here for when, you know, maybe a ring bearer comes down the aisle if you have a son, or even a daughter. Take a treat, cards and gifts, thank yous, guest book signs. I think this is really great if you're going to do a lot of signs at your wedding. Oh, and I love that it even has a really cute turn off your cell phones. So these are really good. I like this. I think, again, super creative, really fun. Definitely a time saver. And again, if you're only spending $19 and you're getting all this stuff, and you can use a lot of this stuff too, like in your wedding, like these beer quotes would be great for groomsmen. The faith ones could possibly work too, depending on your style of the wedding. You've got fall ones, which would be cute kindness signs. I think this is really cute. Let's take a look. Let's go ahead and let's download this one so I can show you guys how to do that. So we have the Coffee House SVG bundle. And that one, so we're going to open, obviously we're going to click download individual files, and you're going to click right here where it says download product in the green. And it's going to bring up a pop-up. If you have pop-ups blocked, it's going to need to be allowed. So make sure you do allow it. And I apologize if you guys hear a bell in the background. My kitten's up here hanging out, crafting with us today. So I'll try to make sure that she makes it into the video. Maybe she'll be in the beginning. I haven't filmed that part yet, so maybe we'll make sure she comes in the beginning. So once you've clicked that and it's opened your spot, you're going to figure out where you want to save it to, and I'm going to save it right into my CRICUT folder. So click Save, and it may take a minute or two to download, just depending on your computer. Once it's downloaded, though, you can go right to your folder. And I know it was called Coffee House, so I'm just going to search for coffee, and it should only bring up like one or two things. So here's our Coffee House SVG bundle. I don't love the way they organize these because I find them super annoying. For me, I would, honest to God, just have all the files in one spot. So what I'm going to do is go back to this main folder, and I'm going to click Extract. Now, you might need to unzip. Each computer is going to be a little bit different. So I'm just going to click Extract and go to my CRICUT folder again. And this is where it's going to take a minute or two because it's going to do 201 items. I will say if you are downloading a lot of these bundles and keeping them on your computer, it is best to get an external hard drive. 1 terabyte will do you really well for a really, really long time. You can get them fairly inexpensive at Best Buy, Amazon, Newegg, all sorts of places. But what that's going to do is keep your computer from getting bogged down with a lot of the files. And they can be kind of big, so you do just want to make sure you keep that in mind, especially if you're downloading a lot of these. So we're going to go right back to our CRICUT folder, and I'm just going to search for coffee again. And you'll see that now it has brought us all these folders. Super annoying, but it is what it is. So what I'm going to do is I make myself a folder where it's not going to be zipped. So all I want to do is click over here somewhere, if it'll let me. And it's just being a pain, isn't it? All right, it's not going to let me make a new folder. Most of the time we'll make a new folder and try to put that in there. But for some reason it's being a pain. So we're just going to let it load all of these. Now it is going to take a minute again, just because it is so slow, but I will tell you, so you'll see how you can see these with the little Chrome. That's an SVG file, but I have it set so that I can have a preview of all my SVGs. I will link the video that I show you how to do that below, but this is great because I can show you all of the designs you get. And this is a PNG, so it's just going to open like a picture. So you've got awesome, cute little designs. So many things that you get in this. I love the creativity. Starts with coffee. That is so cute. Very good for crafters. Coffee workout hustle. I love these files. They're really cute. And again, while you could probably recreate some of them, a lot of them are just really easy to do, really cute, and super simple, and could really save you some time, especially if you want to make a gift for somebody and get it done super quick. So I love this one. I will start working when my coffee does. Guys, I really do think this bundle is a great deal for the price. I am not a person that is going to push you to purchase something, but I will say that if you are looking for a good bundle that has a lot of different styled things, this bundle really does cover a lot of different designs. We will do another craft bundle review coming up because there are quite a few coming out, and I want you guys to see what you get before you purchase. And you can always click on the bundle and open each thing to look at it. So like we're going to look here at this arrow bundle because I think this is really cute and would be great for when we're doing the state to state signs, or, you know, there's lots of options with these, and I think these are very, very cute. There's so many styles. There's hearts, there's swirls, there's straight ones, there's ones with little, you know, elbows in them, infinity signs. I think these are just really a great item because this, again, it just saves you a lot of time, and for the $19 you're getting, there's 60 arrows just in this alone. So you have 60 designs right there just in that one bundle that you only paid $19 for. So you have so much that you can do. But again, so when you're looking at your bundle, so here's the Mega Craft bundle. It goes on for another 27 days. As of April 11th, I will be uploading this video on Saturday, and Saturday would be April 13th, I believe. Don't quote me on that. Yeah, 13th. So you will still have a few more. I mean, you'll have almost a month, so you have a lot of time. But so when you go there, you'll see that you can scroll down, and it's going to show you all the stuff that it covers, like what you get. And if you want to see what's in your bundle, you just click on the image and then scroll a little bit further down, and you can just click the image again, and then it'll bring it up so you can get a better look at what comes in your bundles. And most of them have multiple pictures, which is great. Like, these are so fun. I think this one right here is 100% something I am making my husband. He will die laughing and absolutely love it. But again, like, these bundles by themselves, when you buy them, are usually anywhere from $3 to $6. So keep that in mind when you're purchasing, because you're going to save a lot of money. Like, and you can see everything that comes with it if you scroll down a little further to your product description. So it's going to be at 16 SVG files, 16 DXF files, 16 EPS files, and 16 PNG. DXF files are great for people with Silhouette and don't have the business edition. The 16 SVG files are great for CRICUT users. You get personal and commercial use licenses are included in 99.9% of your bundle packages. I hope you guys had a fun time checking out the Mega Craft Bundle 4. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. I'm so happy to answer those for you. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. I put out new videos all the time. Hit the bell icon because that will alert you to when I post a new video. Have a great day and happy crafting.